Make the bed. Make the bed in the morning to start the day organized. Wash the dishes. Wash the dishes after each meal to maintain a clean kitchen. Sweep the kitchen floor. Sweep the kitchen floor to remove crumbs and dirt. Wipe down kitchen countertops. Wipe down kitchen countertops to keep them sanitized. Take out the trash. Take out the trash to prevent bad odors and clutter. Load and unload the dishwasher. Load and unload the dishwasher to keep dishes clean. Clean the bathroom sink. Clean the bathroom sink to remove toothpaste and grime. Wipe down the bathroom mirror. Wipe down the bathroom mirror to remove streaks and spots. Scrub the toilet bowl. Scrub the toilet bowl to keep it hygienic. Mop the bathroom floor. Mop the bathroom floor to remove stains and dirt. Water indoor plants. Water indoor plants to keep them healthy and vibrant. Dust surfaces in the living room. Dust surfaces in the living room to prevent allergies. Vacuum the carpets. Vacuum the carpets to remove dust and debris. Wipe down light switches and handles. Wipe down light switches and door handles to disinfect them. Organize clutter in the living room. Organize clutter in the living room to maintain a tidy space. Fold and put away laundry. Fold and put away clean laundry to keep clothes neat. Clean the microwave. Clean the microwave to remove food splatters. Wipe down kitchen appliances. Wipe down kitchen appliances to keep them looking new. Change kitchen towels. Change kitchen towels to ensure they are clean and fresh. Refill soap dispensers. Refill soap dispensers in the kitchen and bathroom. Sweep the entryway. Sweep the entryway to keep dirt from entering the house. Shake out doormats. Shake out doormats to remove trapped dirt and debris. Wipe down kitchen cabinet handles. Wipe down kitchen cabinet handles to remove grime. Clear out expired food. Clear out expired food from the refrigerator. Empty and clean coffee maker. Empty and clean the coffee maker to remove coffee residue. Clean the stovetop. Clean the stovetop to remove grease and food splatters. Wipe down the dining table. Wipe down the dining table after meals to keep it clean. Wash pet dishes. Wash pet dishes to keep them sanitary. Clean litter boxes. Clean litter boxes to keep them fresh and odor-free. Wipe down electronics. Wipe down electronics to remove dust and fingerprints. Organize shoes in the entryway. Organize shoes in the entryway to prevent clutter. Clean out the kitchen sink. Clean out the kitchen sink to remove food particles. Dust ceiling fans. Dust ceiling fans to remove accumulated dust. Clean out the toaster. Clean out the toaster to remove crumbs. Empty the vacuum cleaner bag. Empty the vacuum cleaner bag or canister. Wipe down bathroom tiles. Wipe down the bathroom tiles to remove soap scum. Clean the bathtub. Clean the bathtub to remove soap residue and grime. Replace the bathroom towels. Replace the bathroom towels with clean ones. Refill toilet paper and tissues. Refill toilet paper and tissues in the bathroom. Wipe down kitchen backsplash. Wipe down kitchen backsplash to remove food splatters. Sort mail. Sort mail and dispose of junk mail. Wipe down windowsills. Wipe down windowsills to remove dust and dirt. Clean inside the refrigerator. Clean the inside of the refrigerator to remove spills. Wipe down outside of refrigerator. Wipe down the outside of the refrigerator to remove fingerprints. Organize the pantry. Organize the pantry to keep food items accessible. Sweep the garage floor. Sweep the garage floor to remove dirt and debris. Wipe down baseboards. Wipe down baseboards to remove dust buildup. Clean the washing machine. Clean the washing machine to remove detergent buildup. Dry and fold clothes. Dry and fold clothes to keep them wrinkle-free. Wipe down outdoor furniture. Wipe down outdoor furniture to remove dust and dirt. Clean glass doors. Clean glass doors to remove fingerprints and smudges. Wipe down inside of oven. Wipe down the inside of the oven to remove spills. Wipe down outside of oven. Wipe down the outside of the oven to keep it clean. Refill kitchen condiments and spices. Refill kitchen condiments and spices. Clean remote controls. Clean the remote controls to remove grime. Wipe down kitchen chairs. Wipe down kitchen chairs to remove food particles. Organize desk supplies. Organize desk supplies to keep the workspace tidy. Empty recycling bins. Empty recycling bins to keep the house clutter-free. Wipe down picture frames. Wipe down picture frames to remove dust. Clean pet bedding. Clean the pet bedding to keep it fresh and odor-free.